So today I'm going to show you Barry Harris's approach to the melodic minor scale. So I'm just going to jump right in and show you the C melodic minor scale for review, and then show you how Barry Harris introduces his chromaticism to that scale. If you want to take a deep dive into this subject matter and how Barry Harris approaches chromaticism, check out my book, Chromatic Approach to Melodic Development, which starts you right at the beginning, shows you how to play all the scales by applying Barry Harris's approach, and then it shows you how to develop melodic patterns out of that, and then eventually you mix and match and create your own vocabulary from there. So if I'm doing the C melodic minor scale, all you really need to know is that it's the same thing as a C major scale, but it just has the flat third. So C, D, E goes down to E flat for the flat third. Everything else is the major scale. C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B natural, C. C, B, A, G, F, E flat, D, C. That's it. That's the melodic minor scale. Now I'm going to play Barry Harris's approach to that melodic minor scale so you can hear what that sounds like real quick. So the goal of this scale is to connect each of the scale tones, which will end up also being chord tones, with the chromatic note in between. So C connects to D by way of C sharp. F connects to G by way of F sharp. A connects to B natural by way of A sharp. And descending also, B down to A through B flat, B, B flat, A, G, G flat, F, and D, D flat, C. Those are our chromatic connectors for the whole steps. The thing is when we get to the half steps, so what we want to do is C, C sharp, D. So when we're trying to get from D to E flat, we add in the F. So C, C sharp, D, F, E flat. So now let's play this whole thing until we get to the next half step and see what we do there. C, C sharp, D, F, E flat, E natural, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B. And now we got a problem with the C, so we go up a scale tone to D, and then back down to C. So A sharp, B, jump, up to D, and then down to C. So obviously when we're descending, we have the same problem. So instead of just going C down to B, we need to put something in the middle. So when Barry's descending, it's C, up a scale tone, then down to B, and that breaks it up. Just like when we're ascending, B, D, C. When we're descending, it's C, D, B. So now let's do the whole scale. C, D, B, B flat, A flat, G, G flat, F, E flat, up to that F again, then D, D flat, C. So the whole thing. So at the end of the day, you're going to need to know your melodic minor scale, ascending and descending. And then you can move on to the Barry Harris chromatic approach to that scale. Once you know those two things, you can start getting into some of my other videos where I really start developing vocabulary, chromatic vocabulary, and jazz-oriented and bebop language out of this. And you'll see how Barry's idea really helps you lock in this language in a really musical and natural way.